thinking about permanent makeup? I know you've seen it on our show for years. Sally Hayes has been doing it for 30 years. Well, the torch has been passed. Michele Q has taken over for the very popular Sally Hayes, and we are once again back in your office with a very happy client. We have Michele and Jamie. Thanks for being here, Jamie.
Thank you.
I'm so excited to learn all about the reasons why you chose to do this, but I want to start with you, Michele. I want everybody to know, everybody knows the Sally Hayes name. 30 years, she's had a lot of clients over the years. You are not only taking over for her, but you're also here so you can do all the touch-ups, because they're necessary, right? How necessary are touch-ups? Because permanent makeup isn't necessarily permanent.
It's not permanent forever. It will fade. So depending on colors, lighter colors are going to fade faster than darker colors. So brows will fade if people are very fair versus people that are brunette, Middle Eastern, very dark features. So all of that. Okay. Lips will fade, you know, after 10 years, eyeliner will fade. So yeah, everyone needs a touch-up.
Yeah, we all could use a little touch-up here and there, right? Yeah. Okay, I cannot wait to hear your story, Jamie. So you actually came in at one point, you had your lips done by Sally some time ago. Yes. So you decided to come back in and do full face.
Well, actually, I had everything done at the same time. I just decided that I needed to go for it. So Sally did the lips, but Michele did the eyebrows else. And the eyes, yes.
Okay, what made you decide to go for it? You
know, I was just tired of having to do the same thing every day, and also the fact that having someone who was an artist tend to it would really enhance the features and would be a much better job than I could do. So I thought, you know what, it's just time to do it. You know, what are you waiting for?
Yeah,
so
what are you waiting for?
And I had heard how excellent Sally was, and I knew Michele was taking over, and I was excited because I had heard that Michele was doing a great job and that she was learning quickly and that she really knew what she was doing. So that made me excited too for her to.
I'm so excited for you, really. When I look at you now, you're gorgeous. I mean, just perfect. The colors and everything. Michele, you did such a fabulous job. When Jamie came to you originally, there wasn't, you couldn't see really her brows at all.
No, there was just kind of gave me a blank canvas.
Right. Yes.
So it gave me a nice starting point. So we demonstrated when she came in, demonstrated how we would put on those brows, and then kind of explained the color for her, how that goes with her skin tones, not her hair tones. And then we figured out a nice color for her lips, and we went for it, and she had a great result.
You know what I love about what you did, Michele, and Jamie, you tell me when you look in the mirror, because you don't really look like you have permanent makeup, but yet your eyes pop and your lips pop now. Is that what you see?
Yes, that's exactly what I see, and that just thrills me because, you know, you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror and it's like, ugh. So,
we've all had that feeling.
So now actually I look and I like, oh my gosh, my eyes, they seem to just sparkle, and the color they are hazel, but the hazel shows up a lot better now that I've had the permanent makeup done.
Yeah. Would you recommend it to anybody else?
Absolutely, everybody. I don't care what age group you're in, because it's just something that makes you feel better as a woman, and it gives you more time to yourself. You don't have to spend so much time in front of the mirror. And it's not like, oh, I have to do this and consider how much time it takes to get prepared for every day. So It's just perfect.
Wow.
She couldn't have said it better.
Right? That was great. You look amazing, Michele. Great job as always. And I don't know if Jamie was an inspiration enough. I don't know what to tell you, but maybe a special offer will help. Here's more information. Book lips, eyes, and brows, save $200. Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes, is located inside Scottsdale Plastics, 9377 East Bell Road, Suite 367 in Scottsdale, 480-951-0539. The website, permanentmakeup.com.